video. Slide off the hanger. Unscrew the screws from the battery compartment cover. Remove the paper and push back the batteries. Screw back the screws to secure the battery compartment. Remove the washer and nut in clockwise direction. Install the flash control unit to the original flasher button place. Put back the washer and nut in counterclockwise direction. Adjust the screw. Use a ruler to measure the length of push button. If there is gap, can use the extension blocks. Can also use plastic screws to secure the extension blocks. Place back the toilet tank cover. Open toilet seat to measure sensor position. Level the ruler and make a note. Place the sensor hanger. The sensor position must be higher than toilet seat. Do not block the sensor window. Slide down the sensor. Clip a line cover. Automatic flash sensor starts learning the environment after finishing installation. Can also use two magnetic pins to restart the learning process. Remove the pins when sensor is flashing. Nobody should be in front of the sensor when it's doing the learning. To set up heavy and light flash, place the magnetic pin on the right side to set out light flash. Remove the pin when reached to suitable water level. Place a magnetic pin on the left side to set out heavy flash. Remove the pin when reached to suitable water level. Secure the nut and put back the push button. QBO model is suitable for the following type of water tank knob.